We know that switching adhesives can be a concern. That's why we developed Pangofol 992F, a direct replacement for 992 that keeps your workflow unchanged while meeting new regulations. Due to regulatory changes, TCE-based adhesives like 992 are being phased out. 992F was designed to give you the same performance without TCE. If you've used 992, you already know how to use 992F. Same process, same coverage, same adhesion strength. So what's improved? Pangofol 992F is TCE-free and compliant. The raw materials used to create it are more readily available. And it actually costs a little less than the original Pangofol formula. Rest assured, nothing changes except for what's in the can. If you trusted 992, you can trust 992F. To learn more about Pangofol 992F and our complete product line, visit pangindustrial.com.